Hey, what's up guys? How are you all? My name is Shubham and so in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can create UGC style product images and videos. Here, we'll look at the workflow for making videos. Make a complete video using just a simple product image, and that too entirely for free. Alright, here, you get 50 credits for this. You get these for free each month so you can try it out. Alright, after that you can install it. I have already installed it on my store. In the last video, I explained the process in detail, how to install and configure it, so you can watch the previous video for that. Here, I'll just log in since I'm already set up. I just need to click on sign in. Now there are a lot of new models available. For example, if we want to create something for a video product, then first in the video, let's open our video maker from the dashboard. And from here, we'll select our product. Which product do we want to make a video for? So for example, let's make a video for this specific product, the one with the bearing. So quickly I go here to the live site and click on view all products. So you can see this is my product for which we need to make a video, okay? So now what do we do quickly? Here we select Shopify products. We've already selected ours, and now we choose a creative angle from UGC. For the goal, we select conversion focus. Set the tone to premium here, and you can choose either slow cinematic or handsome UGC for it, right? You can also include ad cuts, and then for the camera, we either mix it or you can use the orbit angle, whatever you feel works better, so you can select the camera angle accordingly. After that, for the CTA, let's keep it as none for now. Then just click on fill prompt. As soon as we click on fill prompt, what will happen is it will automatically generate an entire prompt for us. Alright, so we need to carefully select our creative and our style, and from here we have to select the model. There are quite a few models available, so first let's take a look at sadness. 2.0 pause, okay, so this is quite a good model. With this we can generate a simple 5-second video. So I clicked on the generate button here. In the history section you will see all the videos you have previously generated. All your videos will be displayed there.
Meet the gold emerald drop earring. Meet the elegant gold emerald drop earring.
Our product video has been generated and is now available. In the same way, you can enhance your prompt and get a lot more done, like UGC luxury, PDP clean, and you can also create your second spin. So I hope you can see the gold emerald here, and for example, this is a video we generated just this one video. Now you can see how optimized this video of the models is. So if you want, you can generate product videos and product photos for your business in the same way. If you have the premium version, then all such optimizations and features are available. And along with that, recently in its update, many new models have also been added, like Pickup One, Luma Dream Machine, audio, sports, and everything else. All these features have been integrated here. Alright, so you can go to the store and use it for free. I hope you like this video.